everyone. My name is Shikha Singh. I'm a guest faculty at KMC Language University, Lucknow. In our last lecture, we have discussed about I.A. Richards' four kinds of meaning. In this lecture, we will talk about tone and intention. Tone: the speaker has an attitude to his listener. He chooses or arranges his words differently as his audience varies. In automatic or deliberate recognition of his relation to them. The tone of his utterance reflects his awareness of his relation, his sense of how he stands towards those he is addressing. Thus, tone refers to the attitude to the listener. Intention. Finally, apart from what he says, sense, his attitude, what is talking about feeling, and his attitude to his listener, which is tone, there is the speaker's intention, his aim, conscious or unconscious, the effect he is promoting. The speaker's purpose modifies his speech. Frequently, the speaker's intention operates through and satisfies itself in combination of other functions. It may govern the stress laid upon points in an argument. It controls the plot in the larger sense of the word. It has a special importance in dramatic and the semi dramatic literature. Thus, the influence of his intention upon the language he uses is additional to the other three influences. If we survey the uses of language as a whole, one function over the other may be found. A man writing a, a scientific treatise will put the sense of what he has to say first. For a writer popularizing some of the results and hypotheses of science, the principles governing his language are not so simple. His intention will inevitably interfere with other functions. In conversations, we get the clearest examples of the shifts of functions. In conversation, we get the clearest examples of the shifts of function. Example, one function being taken over by another. Towards the end of the essay, I.A. Richards says that it is much harder to obtain statements about poetry than expressions of feelings. Towards it and towards the author, very many apparent statements turn out with the indirect expressions of feeling, tone, and intention. In this lecture, we have talked about what I. Richards' four kinds of meaning: sense, feeling, tone, and intention. I hope you really like this video. Thank you.